Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you my chili con carne recipe. So let me show you how I did this. Into a saucepan, add ground beef. Don't put oil in it because ground beef has already its own natural oil. Break it into finely pieces. Add onions, garlic, tomatoes, Cajun spice mix, paprika. Cover for few minutes. Add tomato sauce, water, or you can also add beef broth. Small diced carrots, bay leaves, black beans, salt and brown sugar. Cover and simmer on low heat for at least 30 minutes or an hour is even better. Stir occasionally. So here it is, guys. Garnish with mint on top. It is optional. You don't need to do this. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.